Yo, what's up, chat? It's David. Welcome back to the pre-market live stream. Grab your cafefe. We've got heat maps, crypto bubbles, and full week of tech earnings ahead. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe if you're new. Drop a hello in the chat and let's vibe, guys. And I want to remind you all to check out my music, DEIVED, on all streaming platforms. I'm coming out with new music, and I actually dropped a new vlog video last Saturday. Go ahead and check it out. Dímelo, heya. How you doing, my bro? Espero que estés bien. I'm a little bit sick today, but hey, we're gonna move forward. We won't let things stop me, okay? And let's get it started, guys, with the news. Easy. Markets open green today after the US and EU agreed on a trade deal, but it's already losing steam. Nasdaq leading at 0.4%. The deal adds a 15% tax on EU imports for US consumers. Kind of wild. Pharma and steel were excluded, so that softened the blow. Now let's get to Tesla plus Samsung chip deal. So there's some words. Let me actually pull up the Tesla chart so we can talk about it. Tesla pre-market is at 319, guys. Looking good. Not bad. 319, pretty good. So Tesla stock is up, as you already see, 2% after Elon confirmed a $16.5 billion deal with Samsung for AI chips through 2033. He even said the fab is near his house and he's overseeing it himself. Big moves as they ramp up next-gen AI 6 chip production. Very interesting, very nice. Another one that I gotta talk about is Alibaba, currently at 121.96. So Baba showed off their Quark AI glasses this weekend. Real-time translation, calls, Taobao price check, even meeting transcriptions. It's like Meta meets Alipay. Definitely pushing into the wearables AI war. And you can see that we have the same structure as Tesla. We're within a flag, so we just gotta break out of it before we can push higher. Mizuho has a target of 150s. If we were to do the calculation from where it is currently, we maybe have to go up about $28, 23%. But JP Morgan and I have a target of 180. That's about 46 to 47%. Not a bad move, huh? Now let's get to move forward, guys. Thank you. Appreciate your kind words, bro. Well, let's move forward with the next one, which is Bitcoin miners update. So let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick and see where we are. Bitcoin is at 118,676. Ooh, we are a little bit overbought. The two-pole oscillator told me right now that we may go down. So let's see what happens, guys. That resistance is pretty tough. It's pretty tough. I'm actually gonna adjust it here. So yeah, there's a resistance that we revisited at 119,000. We knew that at 120 was gonna be a target, but let's see if he holds up. If he has to retrace back down to 112 or maybe 100, who knows? We'll have to wait and find out. But anyways, it says over here, JP Morgan upgraded Mara stock. Their hash rate targets are way up for 2025. If you don't know who Mara is, it's Marathon or Mara Holdings right now. So we are at 1765 from 1725. I'm actually been holding this one for so long and trying to add more positions as time goes by. But it says over here, Bitcoin miners like Riot and Iron were downgraded though. Analysts think they're stretched unless we get a major Bitcoin pump. And I think that anything related to Bitcoin will go up if Bitcoin goes up. That's the reality. But Riot blockchain has been doing very, very well. We're just at a resistance. I mean, there could be a pullback. Yeah, I see we are a little bit overbought on the weekly and the daily. So watch out for retracements. But anyways, another one from the crypto world that I want to review is Wolf, Terra Wolf. We're at 527. This one I like. We may have one little push down, and then we'll see if it continues. But at least the weekly is not overbought. The daily is not still overbought. The 4 hour is a little bit sideways, so wait and find out. Let's wait. I think there's a resistance though. Right now we are getting this area here being compromised, you see. So let's wait and find out what will happen. Maybe a higher low. Now let's get to Ethereum, ETH. I'm sure you already know about it. It's currently at 3,855. We are at a resistance right now. And BTCS boosted its Ethereum holdings by 14,240 coins. Now they got over 70k Ethereums. That's $270 million worth. They're raising capital through DeFi and convertible debt. Ethereum is slightly up pre-market. And Ethereum today is at 3,854. We are a little bit up. We were. Now we're back down. We almost reached 4k, which is the previous high. We're trying to get over the 4k. If we get to break the 4k, bro, we definitely can push even further. Other cryptos that I'm watching, obviously XRP, $3.20. I'm not in yet because, like I said last week, we were a little bit overbought and we may have to retrace. Just like everything and anything, like even Cardano, I see it overbought. I see even Solana overbought. There's a lot of stuff that we may retrace back down. So keep that in mind whenever you're investing. Now let's get to Nike. A lot of people love Nikes. I actually like NKE. Nike over here is currently at $78.90 from 76. Very, very nice move. Obviously, we were so high. We were at 180s. Wow, we reached 180s. That's crazy. But we had to go down, bro. We had to go down. We created a... This break over here was the best signal here to get out of. If you look at the daily, let's look at the daily real quick. You can see here, bro. 2-pole oscillator giving me signs all the time. See? Here on the daily, I got a sell signal in the 2-pole oscillator. We were a little bit overbought. No, a little bit. We were overbought. And that's when everything started to crash down. So you may need to do an analysis of when you get in and when you get out. You won't be able to catch the tippy top or the bottom. Not necessarily. That's why you look for confirmations. Double bottoms, double tops. In here, bro, it was a double top here. Boom. And we broke a trend line. So that was like, nah, get out, bro. Get out of Nike. At least at 144. You didn't have to get out at 180s. But maybe over here at 160s, 140s. But anyways, guys, Nike moving up. And it says over here, Nike is up after JP Morgan turned bullish. They see a big rebound in sales and margins by 2027, and they're still strong in China despite tariffs. They're aiming for over $93 per share. Interesting long-term setup. $93 per share, guys. So that means that we may be heading to this 200 EMA here, bro. Look, literally this support and resistance here. Boom. Let's see that. So if we go up from 78 to 93, literally that 200 EMA, bro. So maybe it's not gonna be specifically 92, but hey, you already know where JP Morgan has a target. I actually add those numbers, so let's do that right now. This is the way for me to see where the expectations of a share is going to. so we can capitalize on the move. There you go, guys. This doesn't mean to buy shares. I'm not a financial advisor. But it could be some options that you can trade, calls, then puts. Who knows, bro? The strategy is yours, but I just like to keep myself updated with the news and invest however I can. So I know I'm a little bit differently today, guys, in the way that I'm talking, but it's just I'm a little bit sick, so hopefully it's all right for you. Okay, now we are gonna go live in about 6 minutes. The market will open, so let's go ahead and take a look at the stock market heat map and see how things looked like last Friday, and we're gonna look at the crypto bubbles as well. So last Friday we were actually bullish. You can see AMD went up 2.6, Palantir 2.5. We were up over here. Look, AON, Tesla 3.5%. Producer manufacturing over here, GEV with some 3% to the upside, and there were some red like T-Mobile negative 1.6%. HCA was in the red. There was some red, but mostly green and gray, so that wasn't as bad of an end of a week in the markets. In crypto bubbles, so the daily looks pretty bullish. Actually, let me go ahead and check out real quick here, because I like looking at my Coinbase coins. Okay, so there's a lot of green. There's a lot of green, but there is a lot of red too. So pretty mixed. Bunk is actually 4.9%, but look at KNC, AVT, ASM with the bullish bubble, but we got red bubbles too. Edge, MDT, SUI, ETA. So a lot of things is pretty mixed, honestly, pretty mixed. But I see some green, Tochi, Pith, ILV, Illuvium. Man, I want to see Illuvium skyrocket, bro. I've been investing in this one for so long. Let me look at it real quick. ILV USD. Yeah, we were so high, but now we're so low. Look at that, it's nasty. Nasty. I don't like that, but I've been staking a lot of these coins, so hopefully I'll get I don't know, this game. Hopefully this game actually becomes something great. So this is a game. Illuvium is a game. It's kind of like Pokemon, but in the crypto world. But anyways, let's go ahead and review a few things that I'm looking at. Dímelo, Macalia. I hope that you're doing good today. Dogecoin 23 cents. Rivian 1401 to 1408. Ooh, very nice. Ricey 1331. Yes, sir. We're at a resistance. Gotta keep an eye on that. Let me look at the monthly. And the month is almost over, guys. So, ooh, this resistance is tough, bro. Ooh, we're so overbought. I don't even know how we're holding this, bro. Super overbought, man. Let's look at Palantir. Wow, Palantir reached the target, bro. Piper Sandler, look at that. 150, 160. We already reached. Oh, Piper Sandler's target is 170. So we're getting there. Wow, so close, bro. Our analysis was on point. Let's see. Look at SENS, 55 cents. Oof. And last week we were at 62. Let's look at the monthly candle. Monthly candle still bullish. Just waiting for that European market to be open for us. Still need a little bit of patience on this one. Let's take a look at United Airlines 91. Wow, United Airlines doing good. That weekly candle didn't close bullish, but the monthly is still bullish. Let's see what happens here. I don't like what I see here though. There's a RSI cross. Okay, and let's see what else. Disney 121.47. With that, this can change. We got how many days? We got 4 days left. So Disney can actually change to break the resistance. Let's see. Whoosh. We're so close, bro. Nvidia 173.50s. Wow, look at that, guys. We broke. This is looking good. We may be going to $200, bro. Super close, super close. Microsoft 513. Yes, sir. Microsoft can go to 600 still. Facebook Meta. This one I want to watch out because it is at a resistance and it broke the resistance. But we're not so overbought over here, and we haven't even crossed. That's crazy. They can still go up. Hey, thank you. Hey, yeah, thank you for your super chat, bro. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah, the legend. Wow, a super chat, bro. Thank you for that. Hey, yeah, if you want me to review something, the market has opened. You see how the stock market heat map looks like. It's gonna be the best perspective for us. So we can see there's a lot of green, bro. A lot of green. AMD 2.6%. Palantir, as we already talked about, is up 2.5%. But let me refresh it again just in case. There you go. Yeah, AMD still up 1.5%. Tesla 0.7. AMAT 1.7. ETN 1.8. Nike is up 3.5%. And a lot of gray in tech, but that can change very, very fast. Crypto bubbles. Starting to see a little bit of green here. A little bit of pullbacks in like Illuvium is getting a little bit of a pullback. But that's how the market is. When it starts high, people start taking profits. Look at Apple. Apple's doing phenomenal, guys. Look at that. 214. For me, Apple should go back to 250s. We're getting the golden cross in the 50 and 200 EMA. It's pretty good. We're here. Yeah, it's looking good. If we stay above the 200 EMA, we're going to continue. If we retrace, retesting this area here, it should be fine. But we got to break out of the resistance and stay above the support. AMD 170 is phenomenal, bro. This is good. This is doing very, very good. Look at that. Since we called it out over here at 100s. Look at that. Staying above the trend line. Boom. Continuation. And now we're going to be heading to potentially 220s. Have to wait and find out, bro. This is looking very, very good. AMD is looking good. We already made the move, by the way, guys. Alibaba to 122. This may go up too. This is looking good. If he breaks this trend line and stays above, we're gonna go back to 150s, 180s, and even beyond that. See what else, bro. Nike 3.7%. Look at this. We already got a target of 93, so we already know where he's going. Just manage adequately. See. ALAB, recommended by one of our subscribers. Bro, look at that, 130s. And he called it out like around 100s. It went down to 50s, 60s. Look at that, a great opportunity. The structure is looking very, very good. DXY 98.299. Oh my god, I missed this. This is what I was looking for, bro. Oh man, that means that Euro USD went down. Dang it, man, bro. I knew it. I knew this was gonna tank, bro. GBP USD. Yo, this tank's so nasty, bro. Man, I had entries Too early. Too early, bro. The same for USD APY. Oh my god, bro. Nah, I'm not gonna enter on Monday. Just gonna wait on this one. Look at that, bro. Oh my god. It did go very, very high though. Just pushed here, pushed another one, and another one, and nah. Look at that. Breaking down, bro. Melting the euro, bro. Look at that. It's nasty. Should I buy Roblox Premium? Let's see why. Let's see why is Roblox Premium good. Let's see. What does it have? So Roblox Premium is so I do have Roblox Premium. They give me 450 Robux each month, which if you think about it, it's kind of like what it is, right? Almost there, almost the same. But what else do you get? Access to premium benefits within experiences, 10% more Robux when you buy Robux, unlock the ability to trade items. So you can trade items, bro. I didn't even know that, and I actually have it, bro. I guess if you buy Robux, it's good, so you can get more, right? You get a discount every month. But if you you can unlock the ability to trade, which I think is pretty good. So let's see if there's any other like benefits, bro. I'm so like, bro, I'm heartbroken about this one, bro. This was literally what I was trading. Bro, I would have made so much money with this. It's crazy. Look at this, man. Even USD APY. I just noticed that. This was I was looking for this since last week, bro. Oh my god, man. I'm sad about this. This is what I was looking for. Last week, this messed me up here. Wow. So Roblox Premium, let's see. Is it worth it? The $1,000 one? This one, the 10? I think the $10 will be nice. Let me see. Because you will get 1,000 each month. But I guess it's like similar, bro, as if you were to buy it, right? Like the Robux. But I think it just makes sense, bro. Yeah, I mean, if you're already planning on getting Robux, then get premium for a single month and cancel it before the month is up. You get more Robux than usual and benefits through some games. Yeah, I think it's good, bro. And most games have premium benefits, so yes. I don't know what games though, but there you go, bro. As a long-time subscriber, yes, it's absolutely worth it. You don't necessarily have to get the highest tier, though. Literally, the one difference is how monthly Robux you're getting. So choose whichever you think you actually need. There you go, bro. It's pretty good, bro. It's a pretty good deal. Now I'm thinking about it. Maybe I just need it now. Bro, but why am I even so mad with this? Look at this. Oh, my God. I didn't even pay attention to this. It's an easy head and shoulder here, bro. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break of a trend line. Easy trade, bro, to sell. This would have been such an easy trade, man. Ah, man, I should just messed up here, bro. Look at the risk reward for this, bro. Literally, the risk reward ratio is crazy. Look at that. 140 pips. Risking 28 pips. Come on, man. That's so good. And for me, this can even go lower. Because I was looking for this to go over here to 1.15. Wow. Totally overbought, bro. Wow, that's crazy. It's the perfect move, bro. And then USD APY going up. Nah. I was looking for this last week, man. I got in too early. Oh my god, what a great analysis this, bro. Look at this. So perfect. And then UVP USD the same, bro. When did this happen? Was it yesterday? No. It's today. Bro, last week. USD APY. Though, actually, I knew this was gonna, like, the 50 EMA was gonna be the support. Well. US oil 66.70s. Okay. Can you make it 1,000 Robux Game Pass so I can donate you? Yeah, man. Bro, yeah, I can definitely do that. I think I have one. I'll check it out. Maybe it's like a shirt. So I'll do it. No worries. I got you, my bro. I'm gonna do that after this live. I'm gonna work, but I'll do it in a little bit, bro. I'll send it to you. Heya. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. Let's go ahead and do the outro. Wow, look at that. Bro, DXY is going up, man. Oh, man, I'm a little bit mad. This win without me, man. Okay, it is it. All right, y'all. That's the pre-market roundup. If you're watching the replay, comment your top stock or crypto below. Don't forget to check out the music link in the bio. Members, stick around. We got VIP Discord links after the stream. Discord.gg/David. You can join us there, guys. We have a big community, gaming community, and everything about anything. Peace and profits. We do the videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.